In this video, we're going to be talking about how to fix Google Pay not working at checkout. So let's just get straight into the video. There are a couple of ways you can go ahead and fix it because there are also a lot of ways you can be having this problem. So you need to troubleshoot the NFC hardware, app settings, bank restrictions, or even connectivity. So the first thing you want to do is unlock your phone. So Google Pay requires the phone to be unlocked for most transactions. So make sure that is done. The second thing you want to do is the NFC antennas vary by phone. Try holding the top of the phone against the reader instead of the back, or move it around the terminal. The other thing you want to do is avoid thick cases or metal attachments like card holders because it does block NFC signals. And finally, what you want to do is simply go ahead and open your settings right over here, as you can see. And then you want to simply go into connected devices. And when you simply get into connected devices, go to NFC and turn that on. It is as simple as that. Also, make sure that your internet is good. If you want to go ahead and check it, just toggle on and off your airplane mode, or even try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile cellular data. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below, and I'll see you on the next one.